Hello everybody, let's start today's class. Today I will explain you chapter probability exercise 15.1 second part. In second part in this video I will explain you from question number 5 to 9. Question number 5, an organization selected 2400 families at random and surveyed them to determine a relationship between income level and the number of vehicles in a family. The information gathered is listed in the table below. Monthly income in rupees, these are the less than 7,000, 7,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 13,000, 13,000 to 16,000 and 16,000 or more. And number of vehicles, no vehicles, 0 means no vehicles, 10 families. Income is the income less than 700 have 10 vehicles. 1 vehicle, income 700 is 160. In this way a table has a given here. Suppose a family is chosen, find the probability that the family chosen is earning rupees 10,000 and 30,000 per month and owning exactly 2 vehicles. Check it. Family income is 10,000 to 13,000, this row, okay, this column, and 2 vehicles. 2 vehicles means this one. So this number means 29, okay, out of total family. So 29 number of families owning exactly 2 vehicles upon total number of families. So 29 upon 2400. Okay. Next, earning rupees 16,000 or more per month and owning exactly 1 vehicle. Check it. The table is 16,000 and more income and owning 1 vehicle. 1 vehicle this one. So this number it is. Okay, 579 out of 2,400. Okay, so that is 579 upon 2,400. Third part is earning less than rupees 7,000 per month and does not own any vehicle. Okay, now check in. Does not own any vehicle less than 7,000. Okay, income is rupees less than 7,000 and has no vehicle, that is. So it is 10 only. You have to check this one. So it is 10 families it is. So probability is 10 out of 2,400, that is 1 upon 240. It's okay. So you have to write in this way: number of families earning less than rupees 7,000 per month and do not own any vehicle, it is a 0, and total number of family is 2,400. So probability of family earns less than 7,000 per month and it's okay, earns rupees less than 7,000 per month and does not own any vehicle is equal 10 upon 2400. It is 1 upon 240. In this way statement you have to write. Now last part in this question, per month, fourth part, it is the per month, earning rupees 13,000 to 16,000 per month and owning more than 2 vehicles. It's okay. Owning more than 2 vehicles of this income, that is the 25 families in table has given. It's okay. So number of families earning rupees 13,000 to 16,000 per month and owning more than 2 vehicle is equal to 25. And total number of families is 2,400. So probability of our family owns rupees 13,000 to 16,000 per month and owns more than 2 vehicles is equal to 25 upon 2,400. It is 1 upon 96. Okay. Now last part of this question is the owning not more than 1 vehicle. Number of families owning no vehicle. It's okay. Owning no vehicle, you check it the table here. owning no vehicle, number of family, all these families, it is 10 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1, this one. And one vehicle, it is 160, 305, this all together it is less than 2 vehicles, means 1 vehicle and 0 vehicle. So these all families you have to add. So this is equal to, is 0, 14 families, and for 1 vehicle that there are 2048 families together, all these. Okay, so probability of number of families owning not more than 1 vehicle. So okay, not more than 1 vehicle, that is means less than 2 vehicles. So that is 14 plus 2048 upon 2400, that is equal to 2062 upon 2400, it is 1031 upon 1200. Okay, this is the probability. Now question number 6, marks obtained by 90 students of class 9 in a mathematics test of 100 marks are given below. Marks has given 0 to 20, 20 to 30. In this way table has formed, and number of student is 0 to 27 student has gone, and marks obtained 20 to 30, 10 student. So okay, and 10 student got 30 to 40. In this way table has given. Suppose a student is chosen at random. Find the probability that a student obtain less than 20% marks in the mathematics test. Less than 20%. So okay, this one. So okay, so total number of student is a 90, and number of students who obtained less than 20% marks is 7. So okay, obtained less than 20% marks is equal to 7 student. These are the 7 student. Okay, so probability of the student obtain less than 20% marks is equal to 7 upon 90. Okay, second part of this question is find the probability that a student obtain marks 60 or more. 60 or more, see the table. So okay, 60% or more, these two. So okay, these two number, it is 60 to 70% and more than 70%, 15 plus 8. So now answer is 15 plus 8 is equal to 23. So probability of the student obtained marks 60 or above, that is the 23, this one, upon total number of student is 90. Okay, question number 7, to know the opinion of students about the subject statistics, a survey of 200 students was conducted. The data is recorded in the following table. Opinion, like and dislike has given. Like of statistics is 135 student, and who dislike the statistics 65 student. Okay, find the probability that a student chosen at random likes statistics and does not like it. So probability like statistics is number of students like statistics and total number of student, that is 135 upon total number of student is 200. So it is 27 upon 40. And probability of a student dislike statistics, the number of student who dislike statistics, and total number of students, that is 65 upon 200, 13 upon 40. Okay. Now question number 8, the distance in kilometer of 40 families, 40 female engineers from their residence to their place of work were found as follows. Okay, these are the number of, so okay, 40 female engineers distance, their distance from their residence to workplace. What is the empirical probability that an engineer lives? First I want to explain you empirical probability. The experimental data, so okay, gives a empirical probability. This is the experimental data, so it is called the probability, empirical probability. Now first question is less than 7 kilometer from her place of work. So okay. Second question, more than or equal to 7 kilometer from her place of work, and within half kilometer from her place of work. Half kilometer has a nod given here, you can check it. So okay. Now first solution is the first arrange the distance in the ascending order as follows. So okay, these all numbers you can write in ascending order. So these are the number. Now you have to check the first question. The total number of engineers is equal to 40, and number of engineers who live at less than 7 kilometer from their place of work. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 less than 7 kilometer. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So okay, so it is the 9, and total student is 49 upon 40. Okay. Second part is more than or equal to 7 kilometer. So okay, number of engineers who live at more than or equal to 7 kilometer from the place of work, it is 40 minus total is 40 student, and less than 7 is 9. So more than 7 or equal to 7 is 40 minus 9 is equal to 31. So probability of an engineer lives at more than 7 or equal to 7 kilometer from her place of work is 31 upon 40 kilometer. 31 upon 40. Probability has no unit, okay, as it is a ratio. Third part, number of engineers who live within half kilometer. The least number was 2 kilometers. So half kilometer, there are no engineers who live there within half kilometer. So it is a 0. So probability is 0 upon 40 is equal to 0. Okay. Question number 9. Activity. Note the frequency of two-wheelers, three-wheelers and four-wheelers going first during a time interval in front of your school gate. Find the probability that any one vehicle out of the total vehicle you have observed in a two-wheeler. So okay, that means in a certain time, suppose in maths period, the student will sit in front of the gate and they will watch the data they will collect from how many two-wheelers or one-wheeler, three-wheelers or four-wheeler passing through, sorry, not one-wheeler, two-wheeler, three-wheeler and four-wheeler passing in front of the school. Okay. Now one activity I have taken here. So that is the observation at the time interval is in 9:20 to 10 o'clock, means in maths period. Suppose two-wheeler, 28 two-wheeler passes. So okay. Three-wheeler, no three-wheeler was there, and two-wheelers is 12. Sorry, four-wheeler, it is four-wheeler, there are two four-wheelers. Okay. Now total number of vehicle going, so okay, passed during at a time interval 9:20 to 10 am, that is the 28 plus 0 plus 12 means total 40 vehicles. Okay. And probability of two-wheeler is 28. So 28 upon 40, it is 7 upon 10. Okay. 4 sevens and 4 tens, 7 upon 10. Thank you very much.